See, make I tell you now for this class. I dey vex. Test where me and Una write yesterday. Now all of us they write this test yesterday. Una get my no green show person. I dey vex. Wait, not be the same school fees Una dey pay. I dey pay.
Officer, keep quiet. It's so you make noise for this class. What did they work you sometimes? They be asked you question last week. You don't fit answer.
What type of play?
I won't read.
Wait. See you dey follow me talk. You wey dey read the answer question for class. First position you no come out. Last position you no come out. Hey. Which one wey you dey? See this girl though.
No dey promise fit now. You no go close my take talk.
Wow.
Promise fit.
Wow.
Now wow, you don't back me for it.
Wow. Fine boy no clean. See they whine you. Now all these small girls they whine you. Make I say if I want beat you I go just pull this close.
Now why they promise me?
You know they follow me talk.
You say make me for this class. Keep quiet. Wetin happen?
You dey follow me talk too. You know all of una knock down cover. Una go see me for this class. No dey follow me talk.
What's going on here? Why are people making noise? Want to bring down this building? Emeritus, give me the list of people making noise.
Did I be bad, Papa?
The names of next maker.
You don't write my name for that.
Now your name be number 1 times 10.
You think they wise?
Make una make noise now. Abi una no gree show me something for exam.
My love.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus. You don't know why it's going on.
Can you tell me? Because I don't understand you. Do you want to sleep with me?
I'm not right on.
Class, what is going on here? What's going on? What you don't have on the match? What's going on? Emeritus, give me the name of nice maker that asked you to write for me.
The list.
Give me the nice maker's list.
Okay, sir.
Hey! I hear me.
Be fast about it.
So I'm coming in 1 minute.
Be fast about it.
This man, 70 years old man. How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
Of all the classes, only one person you can write.
Sir, that boy is a troublemaker. He has been making noise since he left. Sir, that is how he used to do. Sir, don't mind him.
I see the sweet us, he depend them. I see the pen them, he the sweet us. I see the sweet us, he depend them. I see the pen them.